I would like to thank you for the same as well. So before CRM 2016, so this this webinar is just to give you an overview that what are the new features which has been added in the 2016. So we'll be going to talk about on few of the points, and I will be going to explain few of the new the enhancement has been done or the new features has been added in CRM 2016. So let's start. So the features about what I'm going to discuss in today's webinar, so most of them are already added, and rest of them, the features which have not been added right now, so they are in testing mode, so they will be going to add very soon. And it might also possible the features which are already added, you would not be able to see that if you are in, if you have logged into Asia, so you will not be able to go look for those features as well, because first of all they update the features in the US region, North US or South US, and after that, once the testing is done, once the testing is completed, then they will update it for, then they will open it for globally. So the very first thing enhancement which has been done is in the user experience. So that's the that's the enhancement has been done, or the it's not a new to 2016, it was already updated in 2015 as well, but the new enhancement has been done. Basically the enhancement is done in this is the updated navigation they have been added. So navigation to the various sections or the areas like sales, service or marketing. So whenever we take our pointer on this specific area in CRM, it will open a drop down, and in this drop down we can see the various functional areas like sales, service and marketing and settings and so on. And if I want to further see the options or the functions which are available within sales or service or marketing functional area, we can again click on sales and we can see the remaining options. So this enhancement is available both for dynamic CRM 2016 on-premises as well as online version. The next enhancement which has been done in CRM is the improved field visibility. What exactly do I mean by improved field visibility? So let me elaborate it more by going into a specific record. For example, I'm logged into dynamic CRM and I'm going to accounts, and when I click on any of the record, let's say I click on this record. So the enhancement has been done in the records, and you can see the records more clearly, and the field displays by the colorization, and whenever I hover my mouse on any of the field, let's say the phone field or email ID field or any other field, a gray box appears around that field. So let it open. It's opening because I'm using online version, so it might be a little slow. So you can see the colorization has been done here, like the primary contacts appear in blue colors and phone number is displayed in blue color, website appears in blue color, and whenever I take my pointer on any of the field or I over my pointer on any of the field, the gray box appears, and this gray box indicates that what value you have entered. First of all, it's like in a pop-up, and also this gray box appears that's the area for this particular field. Okay. And one more enhancement has been done in CRM 2016 is, let's suppose we have got multiple sections in a specific entity. So how many sections are available right now? So how to find out that? So we have to scroll down the pages. We have to scroll down. We need to scroll down. So we have multiple sections. detail section and other sections, and marketing section and other sections. But if I want to switch to that section directly without scrolling down, I want to get to a specific section without scrolling. So whenever, if you take your pointer in this particular area and if you click on this, basically its a tag is appearing and it's a tooltip is appearing. It says it's a form section, and when I click on this form section, I will be able to see the various sections available within this form, within this entity. So there are three sections. We have summary section, we have company logo section, we have details section. And now if I want to switch any of the section, we can directly click on that section name. Let's say I want to switch to details, so I directly click on details and I will be directly get to the details section. In similar way, if I want to get back to the summary section, I can get to the summary section. So the scrolling up and scrolling down, this task will be less, because if we have many sections, we have to scroll up and scroll down so many times to move from one section to another. So this work will be solved by, or that task will be reduced by using this particular section area. So we can move to a specific section or tab directly without scrolling the page. So that's the enhanced user experience has been done. That's the enhancement has been done in 2016. Next, a newly added feature in 2016 in Dynamic CRM 2016 is OneDrive to manage the documents. I believe that all of you are familiar with the Drive box which is provided by Microsoft OneDrive. So basically, Microsoft OneDrive is used to store the data online, store the files online, and it can be shared with the other users simply by sharing the link. So we can upload it on OneDrive, and once the document is uploaded, once the documents get loaded on OneDrive, a link gets generated and we can share the links to other users. So the same feature Microsoft Dynamics CRM has used, or they have inbuilt, or you can say they have added the feature, that OneDrive feature in Dynamics CRM. So now with CRM Online, we can use the right storage option for the right situation. For example, I want to store the private documents using the new OneDrive for Business option. For collaborative storage, we can use Office 365 groups, and for public documents, we can use SharePoints. So we can use different storage options which are available with Dynamics CRM. We have OneDrive for private documents, we have SharePoints for public documents, and so on. So you might use OneDrive for business to start and work on a document privately, such as for a draft sales pitch and so on. And once the documents get uploaded on OneDrive, we can access this OneDrive on almost all the devices. If I'm accessing this dynamic CRM through my mobile phone or my iPad, and if I have configured OneDrive over there, I can easily access my documents over there as well, or the data which is stored on OneDrive. And the OneDrive is providing 1 terabyte of storage capacity for business and documents. And once the documents get uploaded, they will be synchronized between the desktop and the mobile devices. You don't have to synchronize it by yourself. They are auto synchronized. So the auto synchronize feature is available with OneDrive. So for example, if I put a presentation in the CRM that's stored on OneDrive, which is linked with an opportunity, or we have uploaded some documents which is associated, which is linked with a record in contact, so that presentation or that record will be synchronized to all devices which are running OneDrive on these respective devices.
Muted.
Design a new templates, and we can share the templates across the team members of our organization, of our company. Okay, and this feature we will be getting from our CRM. In our CRM we have got that, we have got Excel templates, and when we click on this Excel templates, we'll get option to download the template. We can create an Excel template, or if I click on this, we have an option to create an Excel template. So let's have a look for this template so that we can get a clear idea. So either we can download a template in Excel format, or we can download a template in Word format. And on for which entity? For account entity. So let's say I'll go for all active accounts, and I go for Word template and select entity. Now you can select the entities, or you can select the fields which will be associated with that, which will be going to add in that template. So what fields you want to specify, what fields you want to add in that particular template. So you can select from here, and we can see all the relationships. And once we set the relationships, when we select the fields, so these are the fields which are available in account entity. We can choose the entity from here, we can change the entity name, and once we're done with that, we click on download template, and a template will be downloaded on our system, on our local system, and then we can work on it. We can do customization on it. You can see I have downloaded it. Enable editing, and when I click on enable editing, we have options for, we can customize it, we can start using it. Okay, we can use this template to work on, right? And yeah, references. So that's a Word templates. In similar way, we can go for Excel template. We can download Excel template instead of this. Instead of downloading template in Excel, Word template, we can download in Excel template, and we can simply create a new template, or we can create and we can upload templates as well. A new template can also be uploaded. Next feature is the CRM for Outlook app. So CRM for Outlook app is a new app which enables dynamic CRM online users to view the information and track emails wherever Outlook is used. So for the first time, this includes Outlook for Mac operating system, and Outlook for web access, as well as Outlook 2016, Outlook web access on Edge, Microsoft, and Internet Explorer 11 on PC. So including in the new Outlook connector interface is contextual CRM information about the associated individual on each tracked email. So the email can be tracked by using this. So for example, this may include the upcoming activities, or the open opportunities, or the active cases. And also one more enhancement has been done that will enable CRM users to click to track Outlook emails before they are sent. So the tracking can be done by using this CRM for Outlook app. This is added in 2016, and we can get this solution. We can get this CRM for Outlook app from here. CRM app for Outlook. We can use it for continue work, to complete our task. So the synchronization can be done between the records, that as the records we can see on our desktop, and the similar records we can see on our Outlook as well. Next is the CRM Mobile. Although we already have got dynamic CRM app available for mobile phones, we can download it, but the enhancement has been done, and the enhancement which has been done is the mobile offline support has been available now. Earlier it was not there, but now if we are using a mobile phone app for dynamic CRM, So if we don't have any net connection, if we are not online, still we can create records into by using the mobile phone app, by using the dynamic CRM mobile phone app. And once we got the net connections, once we get online, the synchronization can be done automatically. So automated synchronize ensures that updates are applied to the live CRM system, and this feature will be available for CRM online customers with 30 or more enterprise or pro user licenses. And document management is also allowed. Like by using this CRM mobile, document management can be done. We can upload a document by using our desktop, and the similar documents we can access through our mobile phone app as well, and the user will be unable to edit or create or delete the entities or to delete the records offline as well. And apart from this, we have a preview mobile form is also available with CRM mobile phones. So while we are designing any entity, or while we are configuring any entity for mobile phone, so before configuring means before allowing our users to access that mobile phone, access that entity on the mobile phone app, we can have a mobile preview mobile phone form, which was not earlier there. So when designing mobile or tablet forms and dashboards, the new layout can be previewed directly within the web browser, that how it going to be look like once it when this particular form or this particular entity will be going to access by our users. Got it? So let me show you this as well. Let's suppose I have got a sales and click on accounts, and I click on accounts, and I'll get to the form. As you know that in our form designing, we have a preview feature available. One preview option is there. So we can see the preview, we can click on the preview, and we can look the records. We can have a look on the look at the form, that how the form actually look like after the designing will be done after publishing. So let's have a look. I'm not getting that. Sales, setting, customization. Customize the system. Click on entities, look for accounts. As you know that in accounts we have forms. We have different forms. We have separate forms for mobile. We have separate forms for main form. We have a main form. We have mobile express form. And when I open accounts, we can preview as well. We can preview the form before publishing or before actual publishing the customization. So when you click on preview, earlier we will not be getting this mobile client option, but now we are getting this mobile client option. Earlier we don't have this option. So this feature has been added in 2016. It was not available in 2015 version. So now by using, and also in mobile client, not only you can check for phones, so you can check for your tablet as well. So when you click on tablet, you can have a look that how it will be going to look on your tablets. So that's a preview, that how it will be going to look on your tablets. And you will get an option here to, it may take some time to get ready, because it will take some time. It will load the data. And also you have options to switch from tablets to mobile phone. Like if you want to preview on a phone, we have an option for preview on phone or preview on tab. So if I click on preview on phone, it will switch for that how our application will be look like on phone, or how our application will be, or this particular entity will be look like on tab as well. Got it? So that's the feature which has been newly added in 2016. And the document management as I've already told you, that the CRM mobile users will be able to view the Microsoft Office document that are associated with multiple entities. This includes the document stored in SharePoint or OneDrive for business, which are accessible from opportunities, contacts, and other entities. New mobile user interface controllers optimize CRM forms for mobile apps by utilizing new mobile optimized controls, including sliders, controllers, calendars, and other interactive features. So by using, so the document management is easily possible, and document can be easily synchronized between various devices. Next, this is the new feature which has been added in Dynamics CRM 2016, that feature is the interactive service hub. So in CRM 2016 we have a new interface for the service module which will be called as an interactive service hub. And what exactly this interactive service hub will be going to help? So it allows you to consolidate the view all service related items such as the documents and cases, etc., into a dashboard, and it is little more concise than the regular dashboard. Users can view their current workload, and users can also interact with the records through a real-time dashboards. For example, by using this dashboard, as you can see here in this picture, in this image, and we are getting few cases. These are the new cases. So we have an option here. There is an by using this interactive service hub, we will get an option to close the case from here, to handle the case directly from here. We don't need to get to that particular case for solve that case or to work on that case. We can directly work from here as well without going into that case, without going to that respective case. Also, we can see the follow-ups, also what work we have done in this week or in this month or in the current year, and there are other options we can add. And the dashboard can be in one tier or in two tiers. So we can configure this. So as I told you that the cases can now be updated directly from the dashboard. In addition to the interactive dashboard, the new service app opens up guided case management process in a fly-out style to expand stage steps. And to activate this feature or to work on to activate this interactive service hub, we'll be going to use the existing link. So I'll just close that's the preview, that how it will be going to look like. That's the preview on our tab. So I'll just close it. And now I want to have a look of this particular application, the application which I have created. So I just want to have a look for this application for Interactive Hub. So to activate for Interactive Hub, we have to add only one link, only one. The URL will be, instead of this main.aspx, after your URL, you have to enter engagementhub.axpx, and then it will launch the Interactive Hub. Obviously, it will take some time to load because it will load all the items, and we are getting the interactive dashboards and all-in-one interactions. So it will take some time to load it. It will be getting ready for, it will be loading the data. So you can also try at your end as well, and once it is done, you will get all the options like we are getting here. Down dashboard for tier 1 or tier 2, or we can go for in service or within accounts. We can go for that. We can add the service for it. We can use service for Interactive Hub. We can use accounts for Interactive Hub. And if we want any of the entity to be added into the Interactive Hub, we have to get to the customization, and in customization by going into its property. So by default, we have only account and cases available in Interactive Hub. But let's say if I want to add opportunities as well, for opportunities as well. So we get to the opportunity, click on opportunity entity, and when you click on opportunity entity, the property forms open, the property page open for this opportunity. And we will be getting an option here, enable for interactive experience. This one, enable for interactive experience. This one. So you have to enable this option. You have to enable this feature, and once it is enabled, you will be able to get this opportunity. You will be able to access this opportunity on your interactive hub. But usually the interactive hub will be mostly used by the salesperson or the customer care team, so that they can close the deals more faster. They can close the deals. They can close the cases more faster. So basically, this interactive hub will be used for the proper navigation, for the interactive navigation. Okay. Right. Next enhancement which has been done, or the new feature which has been added, this is the voice of customer service. So Dynamics CRM 2016 introduced a new survey tool enabling questionnaire and other feedback forms to be distributed from Dynamics to collect customer opinion and rating and views. So more graphical form will be appear. More graphical form will be provided to the customer, and the customer can provide customers can give their service in by using those graphical form, those interactive form. Like for example, we have got the star rating option will be available, or we will have options for selecting one or two options from them from that particular field. Okay, so with voice of the customer service, we can create and send out the survey forms on the mobile form, on the tablets or on the computers, and also we can see the customer's feedback history, so that whenever a sales or a case is resolved, so after a case is resolved, we can let our customers to give us a feedback by using this interactive feedback form. And through connected workflow, automated action can be triggered when surveys are completed. This can be include scheduling an activity or sending automated messages such as autoresponder or alerting an account manager and so on. So the survey designer will include radio buttons, tick boxes, start ratings and smiley faces, satisfaction opinion to cater for virtually any survey type. Landing pages are responsive, so CRM surveys can be completed on desktop, tablet and mobile phones. So right now, if you want to have a look in your area, so if you are operating from Asia region, you will not be able to get this feature. You will not be able to access this feature in your application, in your solution right now. So initially, this customer survey will be available as a preview in North America, and later on it will be going to update. It will be going to available for all the users all around the globe. So it will be globally available after some time. Right now it is available only for the users who are operating in North America. Next we have a service intelligence. If you are using Power BI, then Dynamics CRM will be coming up with a service intelligence dashboard, that is a Power BI dashboards. We can build dashboards by using Power BI. It provides an aggregated view of customer service performance to your customer service managers. This feature has not yet added soon. This will be going to add very soon. So means within CRM we will get an option to create dashboards by using Power BI. Okay, we'll be going to get this feature very soon in 2016. They have already announced it that they will be going to use this. They will be going to add this feature. So they are just testing it. It's in a testing phase, and as soon as the testing will be completed, it will be going to update in the new version. Another new feature which has been added in 2016 is deep linking, or we can call it as an app linking to the mobile device things. What that really means is that it enables other mobile apps to link and directly navigate to a record, view or dashboard within the CRM mobile apps. So whenever we generate any records, whenever we generate any opportunity or records or any other service, we can we will be going to create a link will be generated, or we can generate a link, and like we are getting an option here, email a link, and we can provide this link to the user, will share the link to the users, and the users, by accessing the link or by clicking on the, by using that link, they can directly navigate to the records, they can directly view or view the dashboards within the CRM mobile app. So in simple term, this provides a URL addressable form view dashboard for a mobile scenario. So the users, they can directly click on that link, and by using their browsers, they can get to that particular record or particular link directly. Next, in Dynamic CRM 2016, a feature has been added, that is a variety of mobile user interface controls we can use in mobile apps or while designing mobile apps. And for different users, we can have different user controls. Okay, so like for business analysts, have the ability to bind a data field to a new user interface control, like the business analyst, he would like to see the data in the form of a slider, or the another user, he would like to see the same field or same data by using some other control, by using a pie chart or any other control, pie or any other control. So this is possible. So the now we have got a rich visualization is there. A rich visualization will be going to available with Dynamic CRM 2016, and the sliders and the calendar controls, they are just a few examples. So there are total 15 controls has been added in mobile for designing a mobile phone app, and the new control works across all mobile clients, whether we are configuring or whether we are designing for a tablets or for a phone, providing an engaging and immersive mobile experience. Next, we have a task-based experience. So this is a new feature which has been embedded in 2016, and what is allow you to do is to add a wizard type interface to mobile clients. And the new task-based experience are immersive experience that allows user to focus on the task they need to perform, not the records they need to interact with. So mainly they can focus on their task which they have to perform. With task-based experience, data from multiple entities are brought together into a single user experience, and it also helps guides user through complex tasks, ensuring that they perform the right action at the right circumstances. Okay, and also we have got navigate options. We have got navigation options like for back or next. So by using this back and next, we can switch. We can navigate to the records. We can navigate through the records to new records or to the back records or the next record or the previous record by using this. So this is a newly added feature based on the task, or based on the, so mainly now the users they can mainly concentrate on the task. They don't have to worry about the actual records. Next, we have got a mobile client form preview. This I have already explained you just now, that we have got a mobile client form preview, that before developing, before publishing any form or any entity form for mobile phones or for tablets, we can preview it, we can have a look on our mobile phones or on our tablets by using that mobile phone or the client form preview. So this is basically this is an enhanced feature. Now we can have the preview of the mobile client, which can actually show it that how it will be going to look like, or whether the controls which are going to add, whether the controls will be going to add at the correct position or not. Okay, because sometimes what happen when we add a chart, when we try to add a chart on a mobile phone, mobile form, then what happen? The position change, might be the orientation change or the look and feel change. But now by using this mobile client form, before actual development, before actual publishing, we can have a look at how it will be going to look like. So before publishing, before finalizing it, we can test it and we can make it correct. Next, we have a data performance dashboards. So data performance dashboard, that's a newly added feature in Dynamics CRM 2016. So data performance dashboard, basically this allows user to identify that how long queries are taken. Means there's an admin driven optimization with Dynamics CRM 2016 which enables customer to understand the performance over time of component with long running queries. Also they can view suggestions for optimization as well as understanding how existing optimization has been performed. So we have got the improved visibility, and it can also access how well existing optimizations are performed. So you can have a look here in this data performance dashboard. It has got various fields, various attributes like impact, entity, source component, operations, average time, maximum time, minimum time, and count. So we can get, and the period also. Period is for the last 1 month, how many operations has been performed, how many a specific operations has been performed. So which operation takes how much time, what was the average time taken by that process, what's the maximum time, what's the minimum time, and what's the operation we actually is going to perform, and what was the source component, everything, and how long it. So by using this, we will be able to know that a particular process, a particular operation, how long it will be going to take, or how long it is taking, so that we can find out if there is any error in completing the operation, we can solve those errors as well. We can improve the performance basically. Right. Next, we have new data centers. So in CRM 2016, they will be going to introduce the new CRM online data centers in Canada and in India. The Microsoft Canada online data centers, it consists in the Canada East region, which is located in the Quebec city in the province of Quebec, and the Canada located in the Toronto in the province of Ontario. And in similar way, the data centers in India, they will be going to operate, they will be going to open in North region and the Southeast region. So in Northwest region in Chennai, and in Southeast region it will be in Pune. So very soon they will be going to start the 2 new data centers, or basically 4 new data centers in Canada and in India. So with the inclusion of these new data centers as well as those recently added in Japan and Australia, now there are now the data centers are located in 9 global regions around the globe. So, right, so these are the various data centers we have available now, or also going to add very soon. Next feature which has been added in 2016 is a bulk data loader for Dynamics CRM. So it's a new cloud service built by Dynamics CRM team, and the main purpose of this service is to enable bulk import export of data into Dynamics CRM online. So by using this, we can import or export the data into bulk by using data loader. Staging can be done and validation can be done, because usually what happen, the validation can be done or staging can be done, or the data quality usually the data quality validates once it gets uploaded on the data set. But now we can validate the data, we can validate, the validation can be done on large volume of data, which was not possible earlier. And once the data gets uploaded, a link will be generated, and we can share the link through the email to other users so they can access the data. Other users mean the authorized users, not any user, the authorized users. Those who are, or you can say the registered user will share the link to the registered user so that access the data in their solutions and they can work on it. One of the new feature which has been added in 2016 is the guided user experience. Guided user experience basically it includes in-product and context-based information that can be tailored to the specific user roles, or according to the user roles, they will get the help. Usually, we have got question mark sign at the top right. So whenever we click on that question mark sign, it takes us to the help area so that we can get the help. Okay, it opens in a new, like to customize the system and all, training and help. But very soon this feature will be going to add, like when you click on this question mark, it has not yet added now, but it will be going to add very soon, that once you click on this question mark, you will get the help here, and the help will be based on the roles. For example, if you are from sales team, you will get the help only related to your sales team or related to sales. If you are from marketing team, you will get the help related only for the marketing function area. Means based on your roles, you will get the help. So the help will open based on the roles, or what new content has been added, or what help you means. If you so you need any help, so based on the roles, based on the user's role, the help will be provided to the user. Last, we have the server-side synchronization. And what exactly server-side synchronization is? That with server-side synchronization, administrator can easily manage the synchronization of email, tasks, appointments, and contacts between the CRM and Exchange server. So server-side synchronization is the preferred option for organization with users who run Microsoft Dynamics CRM in a web browser or on a mobile device. So they just want to synchronize the Microsoft Dynamics CRM data. They would like to synchronize the data from Exchange server or the email from Exchange server, and so this would be preferable for the users who all are running Dynamics CRM on a mobile device, by using a mobile device or by using a browser. So the server-side synchronization, it provides direct Microsoft Dynamics CRM to email server synchronization, and when you use Exchange, this includes bidirectional synchronization of email, contact, task, and appointments. So the data synchronization for each user can be controlled by using synchronization filters that are available from the synchronization tab in Microsoft Dynamics CRM users. So this server-side synchronization, this is a new feature, will be going to add soon. And next we have a next generation search. So this is one of the enhanced feature in Dynamics CRM 2016, and the idea behind, although we already have search option available on Dynamics CRM, we have got search option already available over there. So if you have a look, when I get to the home page, when we get to any specific entity, we have got either search CRM data, or we can apply filter, or we can get search as well. But the idea behind this next generation search is that it will gives you for the text search with custom entities as well as the standard entities. So not only you can search the data, you can search the records not only from the standard entities, as well as you can search the record from the standard entities, custom entities as well, and it can be used to see a single list view of results sorted by relevant across multiple entities. And this feature again, this will be initially will be available as a preview for selected clients, and very soon it will be going to release for the rest of the clients or for rest of the world in the first half of 2016, or maybe in the first quarter or of 2016. This particular feature will be going to available for all the other users as well, means it will be going to available for globally, but right now it is in under testing mode, and once it will be configured, once it will be tested, it will be available to other users as well. So these are the few enhanced feature and the new features which has been added in 2016. So that's all in this webinar. So I hope you found this webinar informative for you, so that I hope you got a clear picture that what new features has been added, what existing feature has been enhanced. So that's all from my side. If you have any doubts, if you have any questions, you can come up with your questions now. So we unmuted, and you can ask your questions now.